What is up, guys? We are back with another b.Board demo. In today's demo, we're going to be showing you guys the Brilliant Labs IDE located at b.Board.now.sh. Now we're going to be showing you the layout and everything you can do, and then we're going to get into the advanced things that the b.Board can do.
So at the top of the page, you can see that there are many different functions. Your basic, your input, your music, LED. These are all available to be used on the microbit. Different inputs, your musical needs. But here is what makes our IDE special. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow!
The advanced tab. So you can code Wi-Fi clipboards. You can
Wow!
LCD. You can also program LCD screens, motors. There's multiple different blocks for your b.Board. You can program your NeoPixel strips, and you got your functions, your arrays, and so on. You can also program the pins on the b.Board. This is very useful because there are more pins on the b.Board than there is on the microbit.
So we could go in depth to all these functions, but honestly, I think you see it right here first. This shows how much the b.Board actually enhances a microbit. There's so much stuff that you can do now, and you all see. All those stuff, you guys can learn how to code yourselves and do it. We're gonna be doing some crazy projects throughout the year for you guys to do and maybe even follow along with. So stay tuned for the projects, because with the b.Board, you can do a million more things and bigger projects.
Josh, you could get the temperature of your bedroom, always have it being sent through Wi-Fi to a little website that you created, and it could just display the temperature of your bedroom if you wanted.
We hope you guys enjoyed and maybe learned a little bit about this b.Board demo. Remember, go on the bboard.now.sh and check out all the things you can do. Experiment. Once you get familiar with the microbit part of the thing, go down to advanced and learn what the b.Board can do for you. Mess with the b.Board stuff, mess with the K8, the games, the images, pins, do all that stuff.
But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
One demo is gonna be, no.
No, do that, yeah.
No, we're not doing that.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you do that.
One video. There's gonna be one demo right here on my face and one demo right here on Ethan's face. Subscribe right here in the middle for more Brilliant Labs content.
Like, comment, and subscribe
to Brilliant Labs for more b.Board projects coming soon throughout the year that you guys can follow along with us with. Hope you guys enjoyed your time. Like we always say, stay brilliant.